to have this small of cock and balls.
I tried to bait you and you took the bait like no one's business.
Oh my god, guys, we just got baited again. This.
Hello, Captain? Captain? Hello? Oh, hold on. Wait. It should default to this bullshit. Yes, sir.
Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Hey, can you carry me through raid?
What?
Carry me through raid real quick.
Alright, here, wait. I'm looking at who I got, because I sort of, like, rushed through it, but, like, God, dude. I need to look at the fucking... I don't think I got anyone good.
Yeah. I don't like you. You are disgusting. What's that?